Greetings, SpaceX. My name is pkingchambers, and I recently graduated from Cal State Los Angeles with my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. During my time as an undergrad, I thrived in hands-on projects like Formula SAE and my senior design project. I joined the Formula SAE team at Cal State LA in 2013 and fully devoted myself to the project. My efforts were quickly noticed and I became the co-captain of the team. With the combined efforts of my teammates and I, we were the first team to compete in over 3 years since 2011. From 2014 to 2016, I was the team captain and the chassis design lead for the Formula SAE team. As captain, I oversaw the design, manufacturing, and testing of all the components of the vehicle. As a chassis lead, I designed and manufactured a chassis that was 40 pounds lighter than the previous chassis. Overall, the team reduced the weight of the 2016 vehicle by 100 pounds compared to the previous vehicle. One of the great things about the Formula SAE project was that I used engineering software like SolidWorks and Nastrans to create and analyze my designs. I learned how to create precision parts using machine tools like lathes and mills. I got to learn how to TIG weld and became the go-to TIG welder for steel and aluminum while I was on the team. For my senior design project as an undergrad, 2 engineering students and I designed and manufactured a centrifuge-based apparatus to be used by the civil engineering department to conduct research on how waterborne contaminants permeate through the soil and into the water table. One of the design requirements was that the apparatus had to withstand 100 Gs of centripetal acceleration and operate standalone for up to 168 hours. Over the course of 9 months, we accelerated the progress of the project, which had been stagnant for 3 years, and moved it through the design and manufacturing phases and into the testing phase. I was the team leader, and for my efforts I received the Beryllium Award for exceptional design and leadership. The skills I learned on the Formula SAE team allowed me to excel during my senior design project. Regardless of who said it, I'm a big fan of the quote, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." In my free time, I like to take ceramics classes at a local art studio near my house. While I'm there, I practice and hone a skill very different from engineering, yet expand the creative areas of my mind. I feel like it allows me to think of different solutions while I'm tackling an engineering problem. I chose to be an engineer because I've been designing and creating things my whole life. From the early days when I built rocket ships out of Legos to when I nearly burnt down my house in middle school trying to build my own solid rocket engines, to being a subsystem and team captain for the Formula SAE projects, to getting my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, to my ceramics. I've been designing and creating the whole way through. I'm passionate about what I do, and I strive to improve myself and others. SpaceX is where I want to spend my career because I would thrive and add to an environment filled with passionate people working towards the same goal. SpaceX has transmuted science fiction into science fact, and I am ready to join the team that is going to be the first to send humans to Mars. Thank you.